Looking for professional home remodeling designers in Boynton Beach? You're not alone. Many homeowners face challenges when choosing the right designer. Let's dive into some common mistakes and how to avoid them. We'll also tackle frequently asked questions to help you make an informed decision. Ready to transform your home? Let's get started. Hiring a home remodeling designer can be daunting. Avoiding common pitfalls can save you time and money. First, ensure your designer has proper licensing and insurance. Second, always check references and read reviews. Third, set a clear budget from the start. Fourth, communicate your needs effectively. Lastly, don't hire based on price alone. Let's explore these in detail. Not checking for proper licensing and insurance is a big mistake. Always ask for proof before hiring a designer. This ensures they meet industry standards and protects you from liability. A licensed designer is more likely to deliver quality work. Don't skip this crucial step. It's your first line of defense. Skipping references and reviews can lead to disappointment. Always ask for references from past clients. Read online reviews to gauge their reputation. A designer with positive feedback is more likely to meet your expectations. This step helps you avoid potential issues. Do your homework and choose wisely. Not setting a clear budget can derail your project. Discuss your budget with the designer up front. This helps in planning and prevents overspending. A clear budget ensures everyone is on the same page. It also helps in selecting materials and design elements. Don't leave this to chance. Poor communication can lead to misunderstandings. Clearly communicate your needs and expectations from the beginning. Regular updates and feedback are essential. This ensures the project stays on track. A good designer will listen and adapt to your needs. Effective communication is key to a successful remodel. Hiring based on price alone is risky. Consider the designer's experience and reputation. Sometimes cheaper options can lead to poor quality work. Look for a balance between cost and quality. A good designer offers value beyond just a low price. Make an informed choice for the best results. Many homeowners have questions about hiring professional home remodeling designers in Boynton Beach. Here are some of the most common ones. How long have you been in business? We have over 10 years of experience in Boynton Beach. Do you offer free consultations? Yes, we provide free consultations to discuss your needs and offer a quote. Can you provide references from past clients? Absolutely. We have a list of satisfied clients who can vouch for our work. What is your process for designing and remodeling a home? We follow a detailed process: initial consultation, design planning, construction, and final walkthrough. Do you handle all aspects of the remodeling project? Yes, we manage everything from design to construction for a seamless experience. How long does a typical home remodeling project take? Timelines vary, but we provide a detailed schedule before starting. Do you offer any warranties on your work? Yes, we offer warranties to ensure customer satisfaction. What sets your services apart from others in Boynton Beach? Our attention to detail, quality craftsmanship, and dedication to customer satisfaction. Can you work within my budget? We create designs that fit your budget without compromising on quality. How can I get started with my home remodeling project? Simply call us at 561-282-6592 to schedule a free consultation. Thank you for considering our professional home remodeling designers in Boynton Beach. We look forward to working with you. Call us at 561-282-6592 to get started.